Hey there, Quizzical Zone here, so don't yawn while watching this video. Yep, you heard it right. In this video, I will do my best to make you yawn.
So, if you are ready,
Prove it.
before we start, only fast people can like and subscribe. Don't leave in between, you will automatically fail the challenge. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Here is it.
Right? Keep looking at it for 5 seconds. I think that didn't work. Wait, I just got an idea. And this time, I am sure it will work.
Keep looking this videos and it will work, I am sure. Really? And now? Oh my god.
So guys, did you get sleepy?
Tell me in comments.